on Twitch, right?
Yeah, good morning, afternoon, evening, crypto lovers. Welcome to Crypto Play Radio. We're looking at Leonardo, and that's all we're really doing. We're talking about this Bitcoin thing as it happens. We're not sure what this thing is, but it is happening. So, yeah. Looking at it through a Leonardo lens. And this way you can just kind of watch the, see how the volume just shifted? That's crazy. You'll see. You'll see it shortly. You're gonna have to turn off the volume, guys, on the video feeds if you go to them, because
Did they just move that wall way back?
Yeah, it just pushed. It just went boop.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I'm watching it here. I can see the same thing on TradingView that you can on that bot, at least.
Nice. Yeah, it seems like it's fairly real time, which is weird because just like you guys both said, I've gone to the exchange and I've looked at it and it doesn't look anything like this does. But this is happening in real time. And I'm I know that my responses are reactive as if, it's where it's supposed to be, because they would just behave differently.
Wow, I just stepped away. That's a big old red candle right there.
Yeah. Yep.
Let me see what XRP looks like now. It looks bad.
Oh, looks just like the freaking Bitcoin one. Wow, look at that.
The opposite. XRP is the opposite.
See, now it just shifted.
I've seen this so many damn times.
Yeah, but this, well, you guys aren't seeing this yet, but see that it's right here, though, is where they meet. And this down below that. It's going to push above that. It's probably just going to come here, though. Now, typically, I would sell right here at 16395, because usually it'll push through this mess. In most cases, it goes to the next one, but I'm not greedy. But it's not going to do that, I don't think. See? See, it's coming up still. I'm changing. I keep scaling it in and out. I'm fidgety. But, so
I'm envisioning freaking XRP swinging its arms with Bitcoin holding its head.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me.
Yep. All right. Well, I'm expecting to, honestly, based on how it's behaving, I'm expecting it to just keep pushing, but I'm going to go ahead and put a sell order in here. Buy back into Bitcoin.
I mean, look, I just saw about a whole 10 orders at 32 and now 30, 70.
And I could be wrong. I'm cashing out into fiat at that point. It may not even go there, but I think it's going to hit there and bounce back. It'll probably plow through it. That's how it's behaving. So I'm going to go ahead and move up here to buy it again, just in case. I may end up chasing it. And it may, like I said, it may not come to my sale point, but likely it will come there and it may go past. See, it's eating that away. I sold. I think I sold. No, I didn't. It's just placing the order.
Because it went back up like half the way that it fell, and then it's back down again. It's like, what the hell?
Yeah.
It went all the way back up to 33.50.
Yeah. Yeah, but see, this cross here, at least the way it reads out in Leonardo, that says it's coming down, and usually it comes down to the tip at least. In this, at least the meat part of the candle that had a similar downward wick. That's usually the rule as far as these go. So this, if this were a downward influence, it would say, or an indicator rather, it would say it's coming down to here or here in the candle.
I think these people pushing XRP up right now are crazy, and they're just jumping the gun a little bit because Bitcoin's going to keep going. They're just going to get crushed.
I think it is going to keep going. Yeah. I'm not sure.
I think they're stupid for trying to pump it now.
Yeah, I might have to kill Leonardo because my sale is missing and so is my money, and I'm confused. There it is. I sold $250, $240, $240.
Your XRP?
No, cash. I sold out to fiat from Bitcoin. Okay. Because Bitcoin tells me it's coming down. Now, I'm probably wrong. But, because this thing looks like it's going to push in opposition of what it says it's doing anyway. Because, manipulation. But I'm going to go ahead and take that. So, okay. So now we got to This indicator says it's coming down right here, typically. And now
I think if we break 17K, we're going to keep going.
It could probably only come down to here at this point. But I'm going to go ahead and put in a buy right here, like I said. It'll probably come down lower. How far did it come? It's come all this way. Now I'm coming all the way down to here for my buy. All the way down. Let's go ahead and bring it all the way down to here. I'm going to buy in at 15,878.
It's made a $700 move already.
GDAX is at 17,200.
Now it's starting to move up again. Son of a bitch. Ha! I don't believe it. See, there went the volume thing I was talking about. See how the volume shifted? It's still coming down, but it's only going to come down to... where are you going to come down to? Let's say here. We'll just go here. I'll take a loss on the transfer. Watch, I probably won't even get in. It's just going to go up now. It's fucking with me, man. That was a loss, though. If I were making a purchase out of this, even if it buys here, it may not even buy. I might have to chase it, but
I like how you can click on any chart and be like, look,
what's everything?
Everything's down except for Bitcoin.
Yeah. So if I were trading this upward, then I would have lost 0.07% of my money before all the effectively after all the trades and everything. So but that was if I was moving upward. This is moving downward. So it keeps saying it's coming down. I think it's going to come lower.
Boy, this is killing everything, though, on the charts. This is just sad. It's like, Bitcoin, why?
I think it is.
All those poor alts are like, why'd you do this to us, Bitcoin?
Yeah, I shouldn't have put that there. It's going to come lower. I know it is. It's fucking with me. Where is my purchase order? What the fuck is going on?
Okay, so here's the thing, though. What do we plan to get into after this? Everything's going to spike. It's like, which one do we think is going to spike the most? XRP, probably?
Yeah. I think it's going to come down, like way down.
I'm watching XRP just flip between all of a sudden there's 10 orders of 30, freaking 79 or something, and then 32.48. Now it's stuck at 32.48.
I don't understand why they're trying to push it back up. Bitcoin's still going up. That's stupid.
Oh, yeah. Got my buy. I bet it comes down further, though. How you like that shit?
Okay, now Bitcoin's going down, so it's time to get an XRP.
Maybe. I bet it ain't. Oh, yeah, really? It is. No, it's coming down further. Let's wait and see, because I think it's just a correction. I don't think it was just a pump and dump. Really don't. Oh, I bought in. It's coming down. Rough. Oh, well.
I should dump mine right now. My $409.
Nah, it's alright. It'll be okay.
What, dump your XRP?
No, I got $400 of Bitcoin in GDAX right now. It was 440 when I went to bed last night.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts so bad, Bitcoin. Oh, so what'd I lose? Just streaming this out to everybody. Oh, wow. Okay.
Well, you're giving it away to science, dude. You're sacrificing the science because burning is happening.
Yeah. No, it's all right. I knew it was going to happen. I told you it's coming down further. It looks like I'm guessing it's going to come all the way down to where I said 587 something, which is pretty much where we wrote it up from, and I'm going to
5.8. It's going to go all the way down to 15,000.
Yeah, 15.8. Yeah, it is.
I'm just happy I was able to get like 2,000 more XRP than I had last time.
And it's telling me now that it's still coming down further, and I haven't sold. And I'm stupid, I guess. Let me see what I'd be at. Yeah. If I sold
I sold when that first red candle started turning. I was like, fuck
this puts me... No, it's coming back up. We're getting resistance now. All right, cool. Cool. See, it just shifts. It shifts so quickly. So we're seeing minor resistance, you know, the actual base of purchases at 16,000. 16,109, so that's what it's going to sit at when it bounces between there and 16,188, but that's just the tip. The actual foundation begins at 16,219 or 220, and see it just shifted again, and that's because it's moving up and it's chewing away in the upper area there. Well, it's chewing away at both ends, but it eats away at that on the sale side.
No, I actually probably should have dumped my XRP at 38, 37 when I was at the top and then bought back. But it's hard to say, man. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I should have done that too. I knew to do that. That's what I would have normally done, but I was doing the fiat thing, and meh. It's all right, man. It's all right. It looks like it's trying to consolidate now. So you got these little guys. It also looks like it's trying to come down some more. Looks like it's not happy where it's at. Oh no, I mean, because you got some upward movement in the solid pieces, but that doesn't really count. It's still down. All right, now it's consolidating. Or attempting to. See, I'm comfortable with it zoomed out a little bit, but I keep wanting to get a really good look, you know, so I can see the increment, so I zoom in really closely. And I'm fidgety. This has been sitting here for a minute. Now we're at 16,149. It's trying to push back through 16.2. If it doesn't break this support, it's going to fall. It's going to fall down to about 15.8. And it doesn't look like it's going to. I'm giving away my money. Oh, Sean, why for? Alright, well, it doesn't matter. I'm here. I know Bitcoin's falling. Oh, that was such a trap. Okay. So 1.56% plus trades. Too bad this doesn't work retroactively, so I don't know what that is. But we'll go ahead and say, well, it's like 1.6%. And change. All right, we're moving back up. I hate when it does that. Go check the XRP. There's XRP. XRP looks like it wants to come back down. You can do that. You can look at these. See, and XRP tells you, you know, it's wanting to very badly, but, you know, it's starting low, and then it's finishing low, starting low, finishing low, and that's just, you know. Whereas Bitcoin is telling you it's indecisive. So if I base it between the two of those, even though Bitcoin leans more toward coming down, I'll bet it's going to go back up in a minute. And that's probably the dumbest thing I'll ever say right there, but because it says it's coming down, actually. I think whoever was pumping it is done. And I'm here for the free fall. That's what I think. It's kind of sad. If I sell here, I'll have $236. What did I say I had? Like 240 something? 245? I don't know, it was in the recording. We'll see. Alright, let's look back at Ripple. Ripple is indecisive again. It did want to come down. There's more resistance on the upside, but that's probably unique to the coin. Litecoin doing the same thing. Yep, it's going to come back up. There it goes.
Have you checked XLM? What do you think of that?
I might have it up here. I don't know.
It's got a little flag.
Yeah, XLM.
Hide your funds. Never mind.
Yeah, it's not that much, man. Not that worried about it. It won't stay here anyway, you know, it gets split up onto a million different places. This is the most natural looking volume I've seen all day. There's like just a rock pile of people buying. This looks good, actually.
I've been watching it off and on today. It just looks really good right now. That's why it's like,
Yeah. No, the top looks artificial, but the bottom doesn't. It looks as if someone is wanting to keep it down a little bit. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'd have to keep watching it. It might keep shifting like the other. Can you hide your funds? Oh, you can. Look at that. I mean, what are we going to do? Stop them from rewinding the video now?
Should I enter Stellar? Should I buy some?
Stellar?
Lumens, XLM.
That's what Lumens is, XLM.
Oh, XLM. I have it up here now. I don't know what it is. That's funny.
I'm thinking about it. I'm still watching. I think it is time, but it just went way up too high.
All right. Bitcoin's pushing again. It's going to hit that. Okay, so it's going to do the same thing. It's going to hit 16.4, and then it's going to bounce again. Now this is weird because this is being orchestrated, so it doesn't have natural bounce, and you can see that when you look at this here, and there's a little bit of curvature from it, but usually, and Lawnmower was the first one to point this out, it's like a ball bouncing, except when a coin drops in, it hits down and then it bounces up. And then it bounces up, and it slowly comes down as it bounces. And it loses energy. In this case, it's hitting the resistance. In this case, which is 16.4. It always is. It's a little bit before, a little bit after, or somewhere in that range. Usually it would be 16.2, so that's a little weird. But anyway, it hits that wall. It decides that's where it doesn't want to go past. And then it bounces, and then the bounce will get smaller and smaller, and then you know that it's going to push through because there's just not enough energy left in opposition. There's just too much pushing forward. If you see any other behavior, then as long as you look at it in that respect, you're okay. But I don't know. What I didn't like about this drop was... See, again, it's got that curvature.
See, it just went red and it candled on Bitcoin again now.
Yeah. Well, this doesn't look like it has a whole lot of energy. No, it's coming back down.
I don't think it does. I think it's going to go down. I think I'm going to get into Lumens right now.
I'm getting out of this right now. This is giving me the willies. Now I'm going to go back to Ripple, I think. Yeah. Oh no!
Really?
No.
Ripple or Lumens though? Because like Ripple's already mooned, Lumen hasn't.
Nope. I'm going back to fiat. What the fuck?
Did you just click the wrong thing?
Yes, I did. Oh, all right. Well, it's cool. I'm gonna chill in fiat while it drops or raises and loses me more money. Because I can't waste trades like that, you know. It's expensive. So I'll probably smoke a cigarette and talk to you guys. And it's going back up. Sons of bitches. I knew it was. Well, I can see what I can get in fiat. Can you get
I'm all in on XLM right now.
Yeah, Bitcoin's going back up. But
what makes you think it's going back up? All I see is red and MACD going down on like 15, 30 minute, 1 minute.
All right, here's the thing. It's
What did you buy XLM at? 911?
I bought it at 906.
Ah, shit, yeah. I was looking at it too, damn.
Yeah.
I just put in my limit orders. I didn't buy a market order.
Oh, I see.
Come to me.
Now our last symbol says it's coming down. I don't have the EMA on, and I don't think I can turn it on now. So
I have EMA and MACDs on, and I don't think it's going up anymore. I think it's exhausted.
The only reason with this symbol that it would go up is because, and I think you're right. Well, this right here, this curvature, tells me it's out of energy.
Well, I mean, the purple line is actually even trying to get toward the blue line now. So
yeah,
which is what I have on my EMA. So
yeah, I don't know. I wish it would come down so I could buy back into it and get into something else.
I mean, as soon as it crosses over and it's pretty close, it's going to go down. But
if it does, that'll make my day. But I think it's going to go up. It's cool. I got $236. Bam. I can just sit back on that. I have money in the bank. I can still get high. That's my Beastie Boys quote for the day. I'm gonna burn one for Mike D. Or MCA in this case. No, he's the one that deserves to have one burned. He can't burn it for himself, right? Nah, it's going up, man. I hope it comes down, because the volume says it's coming down, but the indicators are telling me it's coming up. It's going up. And right now the indicators are a little more believable than that volume. But it doesn't look like it's being monkeyed with. I think it's been left to drop. Except it looks like it's going up. This is going up, man. Come on, please come down. Anyway, since I sold out of it, you know it's going to go up. That's how it works. Oh, keep eating away. Come on. Okay, it might come down. The volume is overwhelmingly low on the lower side. Let me pull it back out, though. Oh, shit. Nah, man. Nah. Well, no, it readjusted downward. Oh, now it is coming down. Sweet, sweet. There was a lot of consolidation to figure it out. Oh, nice. Cool. So, what do you think it's going to come down to? I see 15,905 would be my sale. That's where I have it placed right now. I must have been telling myself that. I think it'll go farther.
I don't know. This whole run started at 16,318.
Yeah, 15,905 is the next support. Whoa. Nice. Yeah, it's coming down now. Oh, lucky. Everything, every single one of those said we're going up. It's going up. It's going up.
Yeah.
It's going up. And then it was like, it's going up, done. And that one says it's going up again. See, and those are more pronounced when they're at the end of a successive fall like that, when it's the last piece. But hopefully it keeps doing what it's doing. Because it says right now, it should be right around 1699, 16,080, 16,0. It shouldn't be where it's at. There we go. It came down now. Yeah, to 16,069.
Which one are you on that's that low? Like Bitfinex is way higher.
Bittrex.
Oh, okay.
I'm in USDT, and USDT is worth more than actual dollars.
Yeah, true. That's why.
Because it's a scam. Scam.
I agree. Normal dollars are a scam.
It's a scam normal dollar. Holy shit.
Well, yeah, that dang fiat has nothing backing it. They print it out of nowhere. It's a petrodollar. It's not no gold standard. It's ridiculous.
Petrodollar.
That's all that holds it up is our oil.
Mm-hmm. Yup. Show you right. This really ain't that much of an increase. I mean, even though I got this, I got so lucky, man. I mean, I was still going to sell into XRP. I would have been even luckier. I would have actually made some money off this trade. But whatever. It's all good. Is XRP going down? Or is that just the percentile? Because... Nah, yeah. XRP is going down. Is Bitcoin coming back up? It is. Well, I mean, it is from the tip of that. No, it's coming down. But it was from the tip where it had come down from the edge of this pin. Push pin. Yeah, man, that series of upward pushes that says, you know, it ended high, it had, you know, full presence, and it ended high. It began high, you know, ended high, figuring it out. And down it comes. This is a thing of beauty, gentlemen. I can't wait till this shit hits. What do you think? Let's call it, I'm going to say 8,500.
What, you think it's going down to 8,500? Is that what you said? What?
Yeah.
That would be ridiculously far down.
Maybe. I think it's going to go down around that range, or at least to 12, at least, and then it's going to push to 32.
I don't think it's going to go below 15.
It might not. Doesn't matter. I don't sit in it long enough to get butthurt about it. I only pass through Bitcoin to get to something else. I don't ever sit on it like this or sit in fiat waiting on it to drop. Not time for that shit. Because I don't use fiat. Why would I do that? It sits still. If Bitcoin's going down, something else is going up. In this case, XRP, right? Because I just saw the 17.4 tick and it was 0.2. It just went down. Now it's still going down. No. Let's see what's going up.
Oh, Verge is going up, the one I'm in. So, well, not Verge. I'm not in Verge. I'm in Lumens. But Verge and Lumens are going up.
Lumens were going up. Yeah, it's still going up. Cool. Sys is stagnating and going sideways. Strat is doing a weird thing. Don't ever do that again, Strat. Ever. I'll fuck you up. Alright. Rise from your grave. Ethereum. I just feel like we're all gonna be on a porch one day and be like, remember back in the day when we were just tabbing through our stupid name coins? Fucking penis coin and the gay coin and the rise coin. Yeah. Alright, so Ethereum is going up. That's what I need to be in. Except it says it's coming back down. But the volume doesn't say that. Oh, maybe it does. Well, I need to catch something in a dip anyway, and none of these are dips. None of these are dips I want to get into. So, Litecoin. It's been playing around that 0.18 for a while, hasn't it?
I don't know what I want to get into right now.
Nothing right now.
I just had to get out of lumens.
Nah, I'm just chilling in the fiat. I wonder if that was like a final push. You know, like in a kung fu movie when the person dies that the hero has to hold and watch die, and then at the very end they're just like, ugh! That's what that was for Bitcoin. It was quite the description, I know, but...
So, what do we think is going to go up after all this?
Just so you know, I was thinking Kung Pao. Did you say Bitcoin? What is going to go up to?
I said once it's done doing its thing, what do we think is going to go up? Neo is looking good.
Oh, what is going to go up? Shit, I don't know. I just look at the moment.
Me right too. Now, I'm looking at charts. Ethereum Classic looks okay. Neo looks okay. OMG looks okay.
Well, what I like to do is, let me do it right now. And I usually keep a varied assortment of coins, and not different coins, but different types of coins. Like I said, like one of the weed coins.
Ooh, LSK looks really good. Actually,
it's my girlfriend's up 2,500 Doge.
Nice.
In her slot machine.
Oh, is there a Doge slot machine? That's fun.
I thought there was a coin called My Girlfriend.
BitcoinPenguin.com will let you play with as low as 0.01 Doge.
Storage is going up too, it looks like. Storage.
Yeah, this is bullshit. I didn't really get the gain I thought I did. Right now, if I bought back into Bitcoin, if I was buying, it was only an effective 0.34%. Oh, it still is. I would be gaining a short of an effective 0.34%.
Now, basic attention token BAT looks good too right now.
Now, if my dumbass hadn't repurchased here, because I was indecisive, I would be making an effective short of 1.44%. But that's okay. At least I caught it eventually, I guess. Yeah, it just started giving me the willies right here. Was doing the consolidation thing because it was just... It looked like exactly what it was, like someone pumped it and then let it go. They got what they needed out. And that can be shown right here at the peaks.
Yeah, here we go again. Bitcoin going up. What the hell?
Not that I can see.
It is on Bitfinex.
And the volume is in... And check GDAX. Oh, it's shifting. How fast? What's it at?
On Bitfinex, it's at 16,698.
Okay.
16,700 now.
16,700. Huh. Well, it's gonna have a ways to come up before it affects Bittrex.
It spiked to 16.8 and went back down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah. I was quoting you guys' numbers on USDT and Bittrex, where I went through that. So they're going to be a little bit different. Like right now, it just pumped up here and pulled back down, and it looks like it's coming down. Did it come down there on Bitfinex?
Nope, it hasn't come down. It's still going up.
You said Bitfinex,
it's right? Making its third green candle. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, no, it's coming down. Yeah, it lost its energy. Whoever did it, they dumped all their shit up here. I can show you the place too. It's right where I was. I should have seen it. See this candle right here in the stream video. Yeah, man, I fucked this up. I really screwed the pooch on this. At least I recovered it. But it looks like all their volume went into that, and there's the tooltip on it. So, looks like an estimated 400 about $444,789,000 went into that. $444,000 were dumped right there. That's crazy. And then the rest of this was natural. And you can see these are people trying to get out. That's why there's more volume. This is people realizing that they fucked up at the bottom of it. They FOMO'd, or they fudded. FOMO FUD, anti-FOMO. I don't know what you call that. I mean, it's still fudding, but anyway. They did. Because they came this far and they're like, fuck this, coming down. Yeah.
I was just thinking earlier about the future of the way that we speak slang and stuff.
Yeah.
And I imagine another 5-10 years, people be like, oh man, this one coin that's coming out is really great. No FOMO.
Yeah. Nah, it wouldn't even be like that at all.
Like instead of no FOMO, it'd be like no FOMO.
Shit. Fell, flew, fa, poom. It'd just be like just one letter of each damn word. That's why Futurama says axe.
Okay, we're not going to regress to that amount of language deficiency in 10 years.
Yeah, not that quickly, I guess. No, you're right.
Go back to frickin' caveman.
Well, you know, like I said in Futurama, they say axe because it's easier. It rolls off the tongue to throw the consonant or the hard consonant.
I thought it was also just because he thought it was freaking funny.
No.
Say axe instead of ask.
No, they do that because it's the future, and it's natural for language to not devolve but simplify as it evolves. It's not a bad thing to say axe. I mean, it is right now because it's retarded, but in the future, when everyone does it, it won't be. It's just a different rearrangement of the words to make it easier on everybody.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find profit. What next coin I should get in here, man?
Yeah. Oh, now Bitcoin wants to come back up, it looks like.
I'm still sitting in Bitcoin because I'm not sure about it.
Yeah, it wants to come back up.
I'm watching all this other stuff.
But
I don't want to leave Bitcoin too early.
No, it's not coming back up. Fuck Bitcoin. No, it did the same thing. It spiked up and then it wanted to come back down. Oh, it's trying to consolidate at this point now. 16,053. I think. Let's see. I mean, if we follow, honestly, it should come down still, at the very least to 16,000, but it's just, looks like 16,000 is kind of like, it doesn't want to push through it, so it dipped down through it in the fall. And then it's like sitting on it, and I don't think it's going to stay above it. It's coming down. I don't know. Volume says it's going up, but, you know, this is volume. And it'll probably go up based on the edges of the, you know, just this superficial volume we have here at the front. Because this is more of a foundational point. So it'll have to come here and bounce a little bit to eat it away, unless it does some shit like that. That was awesome. It just ate it away. Silliness. Just chewed the corner of it away. And it's gone. This is silly shit. I wouldn't even be part of this. But it looks like he's going to go up with force now. If you're curious. I could be wrong, but if we get a red one with a long stick like that headed up after this series, then yeah, that's what it's going to do. I don't know.
I'm just watching the Coinbase one right now because it has a big impact.
Yeah. Well, it's doing what looks like a series of consolidations, but it's not really doing that. It's more like a thing of order is trying to make sense of some crazy shit. And it is going up, by the way. I'm not buying back in though. Bitcoin.
I'm still sitting in Bitcoin. I don't know what to do yet. I'm waiting.
I'm just going to see if I can buy a Ripple with... Oh, damn. Yeah, as soon as it finishes dipping. Alright, I'll buy Ripple at 0.315. That's what I'm gonna do. That's a good buy. Let me get a look at the 6 hour. Oh, that was quite a rise. I don't know. That's a crazy correction to do. We don't know where it's supposed to be now. Oh.
EOS could pull an Ethereum on us because they're the same kind of coin. You can run dApps on it and everything else. It's what Ethereum actually tries to say that it does.
Yeah, Ripple's going to come down. I didn't realize Ripple was still in a downward trend this whole time. It was only the rises that are taking it up. It's always been downward. Always been. No, it was upward. Oh, I don't know when. Some time ago. It was upward for a time after. I mean, naturally going upward. Not this jumpy shit. For a time after it peaked and then crashed, moved up, and then moved into a gully at its lowest point. And for a moment there, it was naturally moving upward. And it kind of followed a little bit of foundational. And that's where I started trading in here. And so I guess based on that, I can buy in right now if I had the Bitcoin, but I don't. Yeah. Oh, it came all the way down, just like I said it was going to. Son of a bitch. Very nice. No, it didn't. It didn't come all the way down. It came close, though. It's in that same range. Looks like it's stopping here, maybe. I don't know. What I do know is that Bitcoin is coming up. And it's coming back down.
Well, whoever was botting it or whatever definitely stopped.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just suspended now. We can go ahead and find another coin to get into. Okay, Litecoin says it wants to come down. It's not. Yeah, it is. Let's see what happens with Litecoin. Oh no, I've never seen one.
XZC wants to go up. Zcoin.
XZC.
Yeah, Zcoin.
Now it's wanting to move up again. It's fucked, man. But it's not. It's going to come right here. 78,996-ish. Because it's just not reporting or something. I'm not sure what the hell's happening, but it will be. Oh, because it moved. Nice. Nice. Well, I guess it's not going down, huh?
What, Bitcoin?
Nah, man, Litecoin, sorry.
No, people... Oh, okay. I was going to say, people just moved all the sell orders on Bitcoin. The sell wall just got moved way back. There's, like, no wall.
I like what I'm seeing with Litecoin, but I don't think there's a whole lot in that. It feels like somebody just made it come up and moved on. 3%.
I think Litecoin's done. It's already had its little moment.
Yeah. Well. Wow. OMG. OMG, OMG. Damn, I'm glad I wasn't part of that.
What, that big fall? Yeah. It looks painful.
Same thing's happening with XRP. I think it's done for the night, too. Damn, I'm glad I can go to sleep on that. Alright, so let's get back to these stellar lumens. How about them lumens? We got Sis. Alright, so we don't want to fuck with Sis, right? Because Sis was... No, it was Neo that was on. Strat.
Verge doesn't look bad. Neo doesn't look bad.
No. Yeah, that's
XLM
what I was on.
Still looks okay, but it's kind of just had issues with that Bitcoin thing, so it looks weird now.
Oh, Ethereum hit a damn ceiling. Wow, you can literally see. I guess it's coming down now. I'll be sure to buy into that.
And no, it's not a good idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So, have I smoked that yet? I feel like I have. Neo. I'm pretty lit. Neo. I was just on Neo. And it started coming down. That's when I let it go.
Ethereum Classic looks okay too.
Yeah. Oh, there was another. No. I sold up here in the high area. Yeah. So I could buy it back in. Again, I didn't catch the peak like I should have. I was probably taking care of my child or something. But I did, you know, save some of it. I was able to salvage it. So right now, that would be a 4.47% gain if I bought back in for the value of a short. Alright, so what are you doing, Bitcoin? Can I have my money back? Hell no. Oh, it's Litecoin. Hell no. Damn. Fucking Bitcoin, man. Maybe it'll do it. You think it's gonna break out? I don't think it's gonna.
It's possible. It's been consolidating long enough that it's actually got a bull flag.
Yeah, Windows. Here you go.
I mean, I'm sure you can see the flag.
Hey, well, here. Oh, well, that's not going to help, is it? Gotta hold control when I do that. It's pretty pronounced. The screenshot, I mean. Nah. Well, everything here says... Well, actually, everything here right now says it's going up again. But that's in the 6 hour. Individually. I don't know. I don't think it's going up. I think it's just being fucked with. It's hard to say. I can't say that it's being fucked with because it hasn't been sitting on this plane for long enough for me to figure out what the averages are. Like, if we find out that this weird contour we've got where it's dropping, goes up, drops, goes up, drops, goes up, but it doesn't like drop, go up, drop, go up, drop, go up at an angle or a downward angle or anything like that. It's just this erratic shit. If it keeps doing that, nah.
See, that's the only thing where I see a flag on it, so it could actually still indicate enough to people that they go ahead and make it bull run anyways because they see a flag, but who knows?
Well, it tells me that it's either someone directly manipulating it now, which if you look at these numbers here, if you look at these patterns, it doesn't really benefit anyone. See, look at the volume on my screen. The volume after that dump, the actual down below. I'm sorry, look down there. If you look at the amount of money that's moving through at any time, you know, it's just diminishing down to nothing because they got rid of their shit right here. They got rid of $652,000 right here. And then it just fell naturally. You know, these are people getting all their shit out. Getting all their shit out. And these are people like me, the other traders are like, okay, all right, we figured it out, buddy. We're good. And now, see, it's moving up. But look at the amount of volume it took to do that. And the only way that can be misconstrued is if, what you don't know is, if it was sale or purchase volume. It could have been 3/4 of sale volume fighting 1/4 of purchase volume, but it wants to move up, so it looks that green. It could have been 100% purchase volume to get it to go that high. And that's how you look at it. You look at it like that. I mean, you just take a negative standpoint on it, you know? Like, for instance, looking at my screen, if I wanted to buy back in, I put my sell order no higher than here, which is 15,903. And I think it's just going to keep going down. I don't think it has the energy for it. I think it's being naturally pushed downward anyway. But if it doesn't make it, then I still have $236.99. You know,
don't worry, you'll be rich in 5 years when one Satoshi is $1.
Yeah, 5 years. I don't think so.
Okay, maybe 3.
Maybe like 10 years, 30 years. I don't think it's going to happen that fast, especially with you got to keep in mind.
I understand, but think about it. We're in the new age of digital information, man. Things have all happened faster than we thought they were.
Yeah.
This crypto explosion happened faster than I thought it would.
Everything
in the last 10 years has happened faster than we thought it would. Huh?
You just Taylor Swifted me.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You're like, I'm going to let you finish. I'm going to let you finish. But hey. No, you're right. You're absolutely right. The reason I said that I don't think it's going to get there that quickly isn't because we've just watched it come from nothing to something like yesterday. But it's not that. It's because now the stock market is getting involved, and it's going to bring more volume, and more volume is going to stabilize the price, and its growth rate is going to slow down. Because there will be futures markets fighting it, shorting it. At the same time, there are going to be people investing in it. And the only thing that we still have in our favor of its rapid growth is that the entire world hasn't adopted it yet. Because no currency has ever seen this kind of adoption. And we really can't speculate. There's the possibility, you're right.
Exactly. We don't know
no
because
matter
the
what
whole
fights
world's
it.
in on it. We have
Right.
no idea what's going to happen.
The entire world, there's no telling, right? It doesn't matter what's fighting it, possibly. It may still push. But
like Wall Street can fight it all they want, and they might lose their entire pocketbook and be like, "We're broke street."
Yeah, but here's the thing: I don't think that Wall Street would do it by themselves, and I don't think the Nikkei would do it by themselves. I don't think that anyone would do it by themselves. I think they would talk together and say, "We have this many miners to be able to put hash power onto it. We have this many dollars to be able to spend into it. We're ready to start a futures contract. We can make sure everyone's recommended to short, so it brings the price of Bitcoin down, and we can all get in, but we need your help." And the government.
I understand, but I don't think they're still going to be able to manipulate it. I don't think it'll work.
I don't know. I hope not. I really hope not. I guess I just have that American mentality. There's a video camera in my tree staring at me.
That makes sense too, because I mean, Wall Street has been Wall Street for so long.
Yeah.
Okay, you had to get into Wall Street. Whereas
I think they've been used to it for so long that they're going to try to control it, and they're just going to get their asses handed to them.
I really hope so, and I've been praying that happens.
You know, we got the whole world here able to do this shit from our computers now.
I think they'll try. They'll get smacked down by the rest of all society, and then they'll walk away butthurt. Like,
I think so. Crypto. I think, and I really hope so, because that little outburst from Jamie Dimon at where Bitcoin's bullshit, and then like 3 days later he's like, "Bitcoin's awesome, buy it." Fuck you, asshole. Fuck you. Why would you even do that? That's obvious. That was just so pandering. It's just, I don't know.
He says, "Yeah, well, I changed my mind and I bought Bitcoin over the weekend, so it's awesome. Buy it."
Yeah. Look, man. I mean, yeah, you know what? I love your show. I can't hate on him, motherfucker. I can't hate on him at all, because you know what? He pulled his strings to get that shit loan up so he could buy it. Joke's on me, because I only have $200. But it's okay. We'll be all right. Yeah. I think I'll sit this one out, and if we see something rising when I step back in, I'll
XRP is moving again.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just not seeing that healthy gain. And what we're going to need, we need to wait on Bitcoin to do something big, like start dropping or start raising all at once, and then we just find the corresponding coin and hop on that. That's what I've been doing all night. That's what I've been doing for the last 3 nights.
But the funny pun that came into my head here with storage is that it's a storage of value. I was like, oh, that's terrible.
Shit. Bulwark just dropped to 25,000.
Nice.
Man, I should get rid of that, huh?
I dumped that shit so fast. Because it's just another coin. Right now. Personal involvement aside, it's just another coin. I mean, I'm looking from everyone else's perspective. They're there to make money, and as soon as they think, oh my God, it's dropping, I'm dumping. That's what they're doing.
I thought about buying that bottom on Ethereum, but I didn't know it was going to bounce back that hard. Look at it go, man.
But it's okay for Bulwark, dude, because it's going to come up. It's going to come up one more time at least.
Yeah.
I wish I could use Leonardo on Cryptopia. I'd be all over that shit. Coin Exchange too.
Yeah, I'm gonna move some over there though.
Well, if you want to know if it's still low, get DNA. DNA is supposed to come up. It was one of the buys from that group a while ago, but when I bought it, it was like 2,200. Now it's up quite a bit. So it may not be a good buy anymore.
Yeah, I've noticed all them calls suck since that guy went on to another group now.
Yeah,
one.
He's not in there anymore. I'm not.
I know. He said he was going in there in another one. I'm like, man, these calls are all terrible now on this one. Yeah. I just quit. I quit paying attention to him.
Lol. Yeah, it's nothing's come in yet. Oh, I don't have my Telegram on, dude. He's not up right now though. But hold on, let me switch to what was I looking at? DNA. Oh, it's up 58%. Nice. It's 3,096 right now. See, I bought it down at 2,000. But I didn't buy much of it. I have 104. So that's all of. If I sold it right now to the buy order, it would be no Bitcoin. That doesn't make any sense. What? If I sold 104 of these, that doesn't make any sense at all. Ugh. All right, buddy. All right, let's look at what you got going on here. 3,003, 87. Well, apparently it's going to give me 524 Satoshi. Something is wrong.
You know what? That's a new idea actually for a different kind of coin that we haven't ever seen.
What's that?
Well, I'm just saying if we end up getting fully commercialized market with global everything, you know, it is the new currencies. You could make a coin that is actually a debt coin. Like this coin means that you have that much debt.
Yeah. What? Wait, what?
Like a debt coin, ones that actually symbolize money that you owe to other things for like a lending platform.
Yeah. Wait.
Like this coin means that you owe $100 or whatever.
Oh no, that's not what I was whatting at. I'm sorry. I was confusing you. I was whatting at my total, but it was because it was telling me I had 0.06 and that didn't make any sense. All right. My bad, man. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's all right.
3,003, 104. That'll net me 313,000 Satoshis. 313, 215. So that's where I'm at on DNA. I don't know how high it's going. He may tell us to sell it soon, so I could be wrong. I probably should sell now. It looks like it's coming down. But it doesn't matter. Back to Leonardo because that's what's on the stream. Okay. So, Bitcoin, huh? Sold out here. Ish. And we're still pretty much at the same place I sold, and it says it's coming down. So, let's see what we got. What is trending upward? OMG seems to be. OMG does this dip thing. And then it comes down to where it was. Bitcoin is making it do that. It's Bitcoin. It's entirely Bitcoin. Okay. Same thing with XRP. Except XRP has lost its lift. I've been writing it for like a day and a half now, I know. Oh, SIS is gaining, but only because Bitcoin is not. I think that's a gamble. I want something that has some natural growth to it.
Well, that would be EOS, but we already missed. It already started going up too high again.
Yeah, I'm going to have to go to Bittrex and look at their page. See what we got going on. Actually, let's start at BitThumb. Let's do that.
Now, Zcash is still going up, so is Zcoin.
Yeah. Okay. Zcash is, what's the price right now, dollar-wise? Do you know?
I don't know the dollar price. I just see the Satoshi price.
I know Satoshi here. It's up 22.97% at 89.62. Ethereum Classic is up 6%. This weird coin with moon runes, EOS, is up something fierce.
It looks fierce too, though. If you look at its actual, it looks like it's going back up crazy. Like I was trying to say earlier, EOS basically could be the next Ethereum. You could see it jump to 300 overnight because it is literally the same thing as Ethereum. It actually does work instead of not work.
So does Neo.
Yeah, Neo's better, but Neo's also kind of got that whole wanting to work with the government thing going on.
I think I'm going to check out Zcash. Oh, damn it. All right.
Yeah, Zec just went up. Maybe it'll go down so you can get back in.
What about Zen?
I haven't looked at Zen. I don't have it on my board here of my watch list.
Oh, it's going to drag down my whole system and throw a whole bunch up. Nah, Zach's pretty much doing the same pattern as all these others. I don't really need Zen on here. Or Zach. I'm sure Zen's doing the same thing. It's pretty much lost its steam. Simply because it's a masternode coin and they have a window of growth. And then they have a secondary breakout. And I don't feel like sitting around for that secondary breakout, especially through all this. It'll never happen. I'm not sure its life ever really began as a normal coin. Certainly is benefiting from this, though. Huh.
See, Power Ledger is the only thing I see that just looks like a good thing to buy in, but yeah. I don't want to go to Bittrex.
What about Salt? What's it doing?
Let me look. Actually, I have to add Salt. I don't have it on my watch list. Let me see.
I'll bet. I'm going to check it out real fast, and we'll see. Oh, Salt is going sideways.
Going up.
Is it? It looks like it's going sideways.
On Bittrex, it's going straight the fuck up.
Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's up. I'm on a 1 week view. Yeah, 6 hours. It's got a lot of energy, doesn't it? It's got a shit ton of energy. Something's happening there. Alright, that's where I'm going.
Salt?
Yeah, Salt.
I need to try to make a good trade.
Well, I don't know this is a good one. It's just the one I'm going to make. I feel like Bitcoin's about to come down in a second, though. It is coming down. I should just wait a moment. Nah, that's what's fueling Salt. I got to get going. Alright, let's get this over. I got to buy my Bitcoin to go buy Salt. What a waste. I'm going to be so under. Oh, let me down to 1. To 0.01, watch. I'm selling for 0.144. I seriously doubt that. Alright, cool. We're sold. Let's get our asses over to Salt. Boom. And let's see what we're looking at. Yeah, okay, it's got energy. That's good enough for me for now. Turn off the bot. And kick it up to, we'll go ahead and come down here. I think it's going to shift up. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna buy right here. Because I think it's going to come there. I can just readjust my buy if it doesn't, but I think it will. We'll see. Oh, it did not. Right after my buy went in too. You motherfucker. No way. No way. No. Now the buy just didn't go through yet. We're just waiting. There it goes. Alright, now it's going to move up. It says it's coming down, though. That's weird.
I don't know. We'll try Salt. I'm in it. It is still going up, it looks like.
Yeah, but it says it's coming down, but I'm going to move my buy above it against my better judgment because I know it's coming down. I know that for a fact. It's coming down.
Why would Salt go down?
It's coming down to 47,617. That's what it tells me. Which is a difference of 0.89%. And with 2 trades in there, you're losing 1% if you're trying to... I'm losing 1% difference buying it above because it looks like it's going to behave abnormally. But it's not selling it to me. I'm going to have to chase it. Nope. There we are. 29 Salt. That's all I can afford. Some ghetto.
It's actually kind of expensive. What is it, like $40 or something?
I'm in. Oh, it still says
I think it's cheaper than that.
Yeah. I don't know. Let me get up on the screen and look. Let me move my mouse and everything so we can see what
You
we're
just
doing.
bought in at 48?
Yep,
I've never
bought in
messed
at
with
48.
salt before, so we'll hope.
Yeah, I just did it because I'm bored, man. I do this all the time. Yeah, I told you it's coming down. It's coming down to 47, whatever I said it was. Right here at 47, 600, 47, 650, I don't know. No, because it's behaving as if it's moving upward, but every one of these signs is telling me down. Just for a moment. It's still going up. I wouldn't be sitting here if I were worried about that. I just feel like it's going to correct. It's going to do a micro correct. It may only come down to the, like if you're watching my screen, when it comes down, it may only come down to the tip of this guy right here, or right around in there. It may not, because it keeps throwing these guys up, which are, balancing. But it could come, I was expecting it to come down either to here or to here. But it looks like it may fight it and just move up anyway. I don't really care.
Are you actually getting viewers on the cryptocurrency thing? Just
I
doing
don't know.
Leonardo?
Oh, I haven't checked. Wow, if there's anyone on Twitch, I am sorry.
There's questions, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm
You
such
probably
an
have people
asshat.
asking you stuff, yeah.
Oh, guys.
There's 2 other people on here. I'm not sure who it is, though.
Oh, no. Such a baddie. I just started streaming and let it go. Okay. Okay, my stream summary is ready. Alright. I have to... Let's go to...
See, here it's funny. I kept thinking you were talking to viewers on your stream because you were just randomly going to certain topics. So I was
no.
okay.
I'm just keeping the banter up. Hey, man. Oh, yeah, okay. This guy, he has been here a couple of times. There we are. I'm just trying to find the, there we are.
I'm just saying it'd be pretty cool if people start watching crypto trade and stuff. I wouldn't be surprised with all the talk about it lately.
I changed the channel that I'm streaming to crypto because there's a crypto channel and only a couple of people are streaming to it. I tried streaming open-ended, and that's, I believe, where Tordesky found me, just streaming to no one. And then I streamed to IRL, and that really wasn't appropriate, but it was more popular. I was just trying to, get there. And then, ultimately I landed here in the crypto section because I realized there was one and it was being used for cryptocurrency.
You're right, dude. It's going down now.
Yeah.
Wait, now it's going back up.
Yeah. Yeah, it only went down. Where'd it go to? It went exactly where I said it would. No, it didn't. Wait.
It didn't even move on Binance.
No, I said it would come down here.
It didn't blink.
Yeah, that was just like Link, yeah.
But the first...
On Binance, it didn't even do anything.
No, this was it. I said it was going to come either down to the tip of where these two meet, or it's going to come down to here, and it actually came a little bit past. But that's because all this moved on this side, if you see. See, all this right here, this entire line, this tip, that's artificial. There's no way it's going to make this perfect stack like that. No, that's all computer. And then the rest of this is more natural. And these little jagged edges at the very corner are people like me. They're like, I think it's going to come to here. That's what those are. If I add mine, you'll see I'll become a little jagged edge. See, now it moves back up. That's why I wasn't worried. I knew it was going to go up. But I also knew it was going to come down before it did, and I should have bought where I did, because that was a difference of 0.48%. With the two trades, 0.51%. With the two trades, that comes to, I have no idea, 0.5, 0.2, oh, 1%. So, yeah. But I only would save myself 0.5% because of the, the trades anyway. I wouldn't even...
Unless you were on Binance, and then it would have screwed you because it didn't even move.
Yeah.
And you'd have been like, fuck!
Yep. I would have gained 0.25%. That's all I would have gained. But I would have profited from that short. But, it's just not worth doing. I just shouldn't have bought in there. And then
Binance, we're still at 483.
Are they?
Yep, going up.
See, now this is an effective 6.5%. However, it's taken in the account that I'm buying and selling, right? And at the end, I'll make 0.69%. So if I were to make this and buy in here, you take one of the trades out of that 0.25. So now I'm making 0.94. I don't know. I lost my numbers. I can't do that high, but something like that. Almost 1% from that difference. Kind of an anti-short, getting in early, getting all Ferengi.
I was pretty happy with my scalping on Ripple earlier.
Yeah.
So when I very first started doing Ripple, I could only buy something like around I think it was like 1,100.
Yeah.
And then I went up to 1,200, 1,300, 1,500. I got up to like 1,600. I mean, 1,680 or something from scalping it.
Oh, nice.
That's nice.
I was like, that's almost half of my value. I was like, that was a pretty good increase.
Well, the reason I decided that this was a good one with you was just because of this curvature. This could be a very small thing. It may just go up here and come back down. But for a moment...
Salt is huge, though. They have huge things backing them. And they're, isn't supposed to be late this month that they actually have their platform operational?
It's supposed to be any time this month, and we're running out of months, so it has to be late this month. And it is supposed to be valued at exactly $25 when it releases, and right now it's worth $8.
So that'll be huge.
So anyone who is listening to this, go buy salt. Seriously, I'm not shilling it. I do have it. I have it right now. I have 29 of them, but I only have it because
I have a salt account even on their website for the lending thing once it comes out, because I think that's amazing, being able to keep my crypto funds and then continue to still trade.
Yeah,
they're gonna have so many traders sign up on there. Everybody's gonna be like, sure, here's my crypto. Give me money trade.
I don't like how this is behaving. Feels like it wants to pull down, but it's pushing up against. I'm not sure what's going on there.
It feels like it's just slow. Oh, it just slowly went up.
Every one of these sticks is saying it's finishing low or beginning low or finishing low. It's acting like it just wants to pull down and something is pushing it up.
Yeah, but Bitcoin's about to go down, I think, so that'll push it up anyways.
I sure as hell hope so. Oh, wait, Bitcoin's not going down right now.
Are you sure? It looks like it's going down.
No, I was asking you. I was asking
you. Yeah, I'm watching it go down right now.
Okay.
There's a whole heck of a lot of red on GDAX.
We're on our first red candle.
Good.
And so far, 9 times out of 10 for this whole series, there's more than one red candle in a row.
Yeah, it's
There's almost always at least 2 red candles.
On what timeline?
And most times there's 3 of them on the 5-minute.
I'm on 12-hour right here. I need to set it back to 30 minutes. Just try and get a general view of things.
But on the 1 minute, you'll at least get like 3 to 5 red lines usually in a row. So going down.
This is starting to stabilize. It has negative volume at the top compared to the bottom. But, again, it's telling me it wants to come down. It's telling me it's going to come down to...
There are less buy walls than there are sell walls on Bitcoin, that's for sure. And let me look at the order book here on Bitcoinity.
This is going to want to come down to 47,000.
Yeah, the order book also looks like it wants to go down, and I'm looking... This one I like because it shows you all the freaking trade places. So this is all the order books.
Yeah, it's going to come down.
Since all the order books say it's probably going to go down, I would say I agree.
Oh, no, I'm talking about salt.
Oh, I'm talking about Bitcoin.
Oh, lol. No.
Like, salt might go down a little bit, too, but Bitcoin looks like it wants to go down.
If Bitcoin goes down, salt should go up. I'm pretty sure
That's what I'm hoping, yeah.
But by its natural tendencies, what I'm seeing here is it's moving up and trying to consolidate, and it's moving up and trying to consolidate, and it's moving up and saying, no, I feel like coming down. And then it moves up and tries to consolidate. And, you know, it's just, it just seems like it's being nudged upward, and it doesn't really need to be there right now. We'll see. I think it's coming down. I think I've been wasting money all night. It's okay though. It just really doesn't break my heart because when I do get one good solid one, I stay on it. And I am patient enough.
It's still just calmly, slowly going up on Binance where I'm at.
But you guys see I'm not just skipping them as soon as they drop. I should be. I should be dropping at a stop loss, and I should be setting my stop loss. I can do that with this tool on any exchange, whether it has one or not, which is nice. But normally, I would give myself an allowance of a gain of at least 1% effective gain after everything's done, and a stop loss of 0.5 or 0.25, depending upon how I feel about it. And it also depends on the scale of what you're working with, because you don't want to set your stop losses so low that they trigger every damn time. That's silliness. Yeah. I have met Twardesky on occasion.
Well, a lot of these things also seem to have they seem to have algorithms or bots on some of these bigger coins that just run to go down just to take out people's stop loss and then immediately go up.
Yeah. Yeah, you were in there when I was playing Boundless, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you. Oh my god, look at this feast.
What's happening with Litecoin? Going down.
Yeah, everything is going
Probably.
down. Everything but salt, even though it tells me it's going down. Oh, it's going down. Salt's going down. I need to get the fuck out of salt. It's alright. What am I making if I get out here? It's an effective gain of 0.2. It's not bad. I could do that. It's profit. Oh, it's... what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
That is weird. 3 charts that I have all right next to each other. LSK, Vertcoin, and KMD, and all 3 charts look exactly the same. They look like they could be the same freaking coin.
The son of a bitch moved up again. How's that even work? It won't let me sell my shit. There it goes. Yep. Yep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Neo's flagging again. What the hell is up with Neo?
Oh, sell. Hurry the fuck up. Oh, hurry up and sell. Thank you. Oh my god. Lucky. Now watch this. So we hit resistance at 4.8, and that makes sense to hit at 4.8 because the mine says 5,000, but we're approaching it, so it starts getting hard around here. That's where we visualize it, I suppose, within the first. Because for instance, you're not going to buy something at 900. You're going to buy it at 850 if you can, or 851 if you're sly. And that's, everybody thinks like that. No one is unique. We're all trained monkeys, chiseling out the playwright of Macbeth, right? So. See, it's still pushing against that ceiling, even though it's just behaving. It's not supposed to work like that. It's been doing that for the last 3 days. It's pretty weird. But it's going to drop. I don't care what the hell it says. I'm not going to jump back on that shit. I made a profit. I'm cool. Of 0.2. Let's look and see what my profit... Oh, this is a cool thing about this bot, by the way. Watch. Which I'm not using the bot. I'm just using it as a trader. There it goes. It's dropping. Alright, so... if you hover over one of the arrows, the buy and sell, it will tell you your effective gain. In this particular case, I made a total of 11,128 Satoshi. Nothing big, but it wasn't a loss. Even if I get out now, I walk away, I made money. Just, pennies.
Yep, I made 5,000 Satoshi. That's all I made off it. Woohoo! But I got out.
Right. You got out. And that's the point. Exit. But like I said, this is coming down. It feels like it wants to push back up, but, we get away for this artificial shit. I think it's going to tear down through this a little bit. I could be wrong. If it doesn't, if it moves up, it's only going to go up to 49 and push back down. There's too much resistance after that. Too much. Come on, man. It doesn't seem like it wants to come down any further, though.
Everything is moving so slow. What happened? Did everybody go to sleep?
I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy order way down here, though, at 47,000.
Where's Korea at? Korea should be in full action right now. What the hell are they doing?
This looks phallic as hell. Damn, penis
poor
volume.
IOTA. Poor people in IOTA. It just went way down again.
Oh, those poor people.
Well, yeah, when the red candle's almost touching the volume up red candle, that's bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's considered technically bad. Oh,
I think, when the two red candles try to touch, that's not good.
Wait, what the hell?
Binance is really screwy, though. It's not even changing when salt's going down. People are just manipulating the hell out of Binance.
Tordeski? Is that Tordek? Is that you?
Yeah,
of course it is.
Oh, okay. That explains.
You didn't put two and two together?
No, because last time I was doing it on Boundless, he didn't talk to me. So I just thought it was a different person.
Sorry, no, it was me the whole time.
That's
so you could have got away with spying on him and him having no idea and just pretending like you're some other
I
guy.
knew that I don't know, I'm high. But, the thing is, I thought that you came randomly from the internet, and I was happy about that. But I'm glad you were there anyway. I'm still happy.
Watching you play.
Yeah, I thought you actually found the video through Twitch. You were just watching me build blocks and shit.
LSK? What do you think?
Yeah,
it looks like it's looking good again. Can you tell me what you think on LSK?
Hold on. I had to pop my jaw. This thing's going to freak out if I add too many tabs. I'm going to have to start pulling them away. But usually what I do is when I find ones that behave the same like Neo and Ethereum, I pull one away. Excuse me, but I'm not doing that with Neo and Ethereum. Those two are both staying up on my board. Wow. Yeah, that's some energy, at least for the moment. Let's see where it's coming from, though. Oh. Let's see where it's coming from. Oh, well, at least wants to get back up here to resistance. So you're good until 6,200. Get on that shit. I'll do it. Fuck it. YOLO. I said that shit. Yeah, it's good to probably 62. Probably past that. Oh, hurry up. Give me my shit. But I do this all night. Oh, damn it. Sons of bitches. I can't because I didn't sell. What was I just in? Salt, right? I was in salt. I don't have salt. Where the hell is my money? Oh, god damn it. Where's my damn money? No. I have $2.71 USDT though. In case anyone was curious. There it is. My order showed up. I never sold. I was not as lucky as I thought I was. Fuck it.
Wow. Neo moved way harder than I thought I was going to right now. Look at that go.
Oh my god.
That happened 3 times in a row. I need to just get in Neo next time I see that flag, because that's just stupid how much it's going every time.
I just sold out of it and it immediately shifted to move up. So I could have sold a little bit higher than I did, but it was negligible. It's alright because I didn't sell it because my order won't go through because it's fucked up. I don't even know what's going on.
Maybe tonight's the night for Neo to hit like 100?
I don't know. Tonight's the night that I turn off all these extra tabs. That's what's going on. It fucks up my shit. I've got so many tabs open, it's even funny. Alright, what are we losing? We gotta lose some tabs. Because I'm losing money while I'm bullshitting. Okay, let's leave Zen. Don't need Zen right now. Arc. OMG. I do kind of need. Let's see, is there anything that behaves like OMG? There's that, but it's kind of limp. So we're going to let Litecoin by Bitcoin? No. OMG. RDD. You know what? You're just taking up space. I'll know when it gets close to 1. XLM. Yeah. Okay, so Ripple and XLM behave identically? I mean, for the most part.
Pretty much. Sometimes.
00300. XLM's the one to have. It's worth less. I mean, as far as the trading between the two, so we're going to get rid of Ripple for now. I've gotten a ride out of Ripple. Sis is, it's kind of one of them. OMG and Sis. I expected Sis to do something for the last 3 days and hasn't done shit. Probably will now because I'm not looking at it, but I'm not looking at it. Alright. So OMG and Strat, and this is a way you can compare. Look at this. OMG and Strat. They both underwent the exact same pattern. However, Strat has a more gradual decline and is leveling out naturally, whereas OMG is entirely driven by the price of Bitcoin. So, I can go. Strat has a life of its own, some type, whatever that might be. This did a similar thing, and then it bam, flattened out. So, no, it's too directly affected.
So Bitcoin is going down, so all the alts should start surging.
Right. Yeah, and unfortunately I'm trapped in one of them. My order keeps like, cancel, just cancel. Just stop making the order. Anyway, Arc, Neo, Salt. Neo needs to stay. Ethereum needs to stay, although they are identical in their movement. I think we've gotten all we're going to get out of Ethereum. I think Neo will catch up to Ethereum. Sounds...
You mean in percentage?
No, I think it'll catch up to Ethereum.
Yeah, it's very possible. Like, I'm wondering if Neo isn't the one that's going to break out tonight, just like XRP did last night.
I don't know if it'll catch up to it tonight, but very soon. Especially once it actually goes into activity. It's going to have a valid use from the get-go. You know, it's going to be used in a system.
When's it supposed to start being used?
I don't know. I honestly don't. Arc, BTC. Oh, my money's back. Yay! I can... Oh, fuck. Well, there went... Whatever that was. What's going on with you, Salt? Why you still say you got an order up? You just don't even make sense. Just make no sense, Salt. I just can't handle it. Alright, you know what? Screw Salt. We're going to close Salt. Because you broke my heart, Salt. Alright, now what were we looking at? Was it Lisk?
I don't even know which one. I asked you about Lisk earlier, but it doesn't look good now.
No, it doesn't at all. It looks like any of these others, like Neo and...
Neo actually looks okay, but it's going down.
Neo looks best of all of them. The Arc.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at, like, buying Neo at the next dip, possibly.
Yeah, because it looks like that's the one. It has a life of its own. It just kind of gradually fell, and it worked its way up. Yeah, I think Neo's still good. You can probably buy Neo at over 30,000 or over 0.003. I don't know where I got 30,000 from there. It's 3,300,000. Es muy importante. This line right here. I bet it comes down to around there. I'm going to go at 3,00503 and cross my fingers. I'm making no profit tonight. I'm still at 144. I'm not losing anything either. I'm making it up in all these little micro profits. Whatever loss I've made. No, it went up. Son of a bitch. Fine. Hurry up. I mean, no pending action. Make my sale. Hurry up. There. Alright, I bought into this. Why did you put it there? I just told you to move it there. By the time it finally gets there, oh, it's going down. It's going down to where I said it was going. That's cute. Just give me the Neos. Alright, 4.69 Neo. Here we are.
The Neos.
Yep, Neos. I have the Neos. I have the ones.
Yeah, I have some Neos too.
Why does it
For
say...
a long time now.
What? Whoa. What the hell? What? It just told me I had 2.02 Neo. And then it told me I had 4.69 Neo again. I'm confused.
Well, that's like half the time I'd sell out on GDAX yesterday. It would tell me that I had way less money than I should, and I had to hit refresh for it to have the right amount.
Oh, damn. No, okay, so this fell, rebounded, and then consolidated here. Then it rose here. Yeah, I suppose it could only come down to where it is. I suppose. I really don't see that happening, but
Hey,
maybe.
Do you guys know anything about TRX?
No, is it on Bitrix?
All I know is tricks are for kids.
Oh, they are. That's right.
Sounds right. Yeah.
Are you eating them? Are you eating the tricks? It sounds like you are. That's my fetish.
Okay.
Yeah. 3.08. What is going on now? Something went up in value. Probably DFS. Let's go find out. I guess I can change
It's
my...
time it goes up in value. It's way down for me.
I can what? Oh yeah. Yes. Alright, I'm not going to show this account.
See, it is kind of fun to click on your funds on Binance in this app and just watch your money go up and down.
Oh yeah.
It's
Alright,
like my
so...
estimated value changes every 2 seconds.
What did I tell you? Yep. The last order price on DFS is now 39, up from 22. It's going to keep going up. They're only buying at 32 though, so it's still the bot. The bot will spread. If you put it up one up at 33, it'll put one up at 34. It keeps doing that, but it can't fight the people. So as the people increase the amount of coin, it has to work within the parameters of what they've left it. However, if it's given a chance, it will push the price right back down. This bot is terrible. It's malicious, and there really should be laws against bots that do that. But, you know, you outlaw one, you outlaw them all, so... Whatever. Mysterium, huh? This is the biggest percentile gain of the day. 57%. And then it just took a shit. No, it went way up higher than that, and then took a shit. Too late for Mysterium. Rest in peace.
Tron made like 137%.
The richest man in the hood. No. No one? No.
No idea.
Is this Chappelle Show skit? He got his reparations check and bet it all on a high stakes dice game and won all the money.
I just remember his skits with Tyrone mostly.
Yeah.
Is this the right place for the 5 o'clock free crack giveaway?
Yeah. Crack giveaway. Fucking Bitcoin Cash is up 33%, guys. Oh my god. What the hell, man? I just can't even.
I don't touch it just because I don't like Bitcoin Cash. Maybe that's weird, but
what the fuck? What the hell, dude? Really? I took the tab off of Bitcoin Cash for 1 second. Now I'm sitting here in this shit. I mean, I'm profiting, so I can't bitch, but... Man, fucking Bitcoin Cash. Every time I turn my head, You know, I lost so much money jumping in Bitcoin Cash thinking the flippening was happening. The flippening was happening, and it was not. There was nothing happening about the flippening or any flips from it. Oh, what's a Bitcoin Cash? No, this is not going up. What the fuck is going on? No, it looks like it went up 20% a while ago. But for the most part, yeah, I mean, it was pretty low a minute ago. Let's see.
Quit.
Let's put this on. I mean, it was down to like 0.68, but 0.8 was where I noticed it. I guess it has come up quite a bit. It's only taken like a week to do it. 3 days. It's taken 3 days. But I'm afraid its meteoric rise to fame is coming to an end. I don't know. Maybe not. Still working up. I don't know. Just don't know. Boom, boom. Boom,
Just
boom.
got a small gain on Neo, and I got out because it's going to go down again, and I'll buy back in later
Nice.
at the dip.
I mean,
it was still like 100,000 Satoshi gain, so it's not bad.
Nice. Wait, what was the last one I just had? Where's my damn money? I forgot. What was
You're in Neo.
Am I?
I'm pretty sure you're in the one that I was sold to because it's going to go down.
Yeah. No, that's not going down.
It's going to go down for a minute so that I can get a lower low and scoop out for cheaper and get more.
It's going to go down to
I'm just scalping.
303,632 is where you want to buy. Maybe a little higher. 304.
Yeah, see, I'm not on Bittrex, dude, so it doesn't move as quick here.
Oh, I see. Well, that's where it's going to go to. That's where the purchase is at. The solid foundation begins at 302.
Your wife and child are sick. Pick us up again.
Baby, I didn't know you could hear me. Please.
I texted you.
All right.
Stop.
Wow, that was awesome for the stream. She's immortalized forever on the internet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it down. Unbelievable. I don't think this is working out like this. Alright, so what are we on? Oh, it is coming down now. It's going to come down to 301 now, maybe. But probably not. It's probably going to come down to 305, 187. Or I would say 305, 486 is where I'd buy in. I would sell, but I'd only get
Litecoin's flagging again, but it's being funky, so I don't know.
I'd actually get an effective gain. Litecoin is. I'm gonna go ahead and dip out of this if it ever lets me get there. Oh, now it's wanting to push up. What? I don't think so. I think it's gonna come back down. I think it's bullshitting me. I'll just sit on it. I was gonna sell, I should have done it here anyway. That would have been almost 1% gain. Oh, it would have been 1%. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks, man. I had this dude in here talking to me and didn't see it. Oh. I didn't know you could whisper on Twitch. Oh, man. Oh, I hope he actually heard that conversation part. The guy was asking if we thought what Bitcoin was going to do. Just watching it fall in the Twitch window while well, I mean, I guess it fell and then it rose again, but whatever. I might just seriously back out into fiat. There's no good energy in anything right now. Really isn't. Alright, we're good. Okay, back to it. Alright, so this says it's coming down, just like I thought. It'll probably come down to 300. I would say 305.83 is where I'd buy in. 305.830. Still wanting to come down. Let's see. It may only come down to 309. I don't know. Looks like it's gonna come down hard though. So maybe 305. Well, it made that 309. Let's see what happens. Think it'll come here? This looks like it's got a little more groove to it. I think right there. It's a pretty big notch. I don't think that's enough. I think it's going to want to come down to at least here, which will bring it down to here. And then the energy will be the determining factor whether or not it comes all the way down to here, which will bring it all the way down to here. If it manages to push through every bit of that, it may just come on down to here. Oh, it's coming on down to here. Did I sell? I didn't sell. Oh, what the fuck, man? Why didn't you sell at profit? I'm killing me. I just can't even handle it anymore. Oh, I am at profit. Shit. Oh, I was at profit. Damn it. Fucking assholes. Yes. Yeah, just sell. I'm not at profit anymore. Fuck. The order's moved down below my sell point and the sell hasn't processed. I fucking hate this. It takes so long for it to get set up. No, it sold. Cool. Alright. Well, I didn't make any money. But I made it. Son of a bitch, it came back up right afterward. That's alright, let me get a look at this energy though. Now that I've sampled this myself. See, this is the same thing.
It might just be time to go to sleep, honestly. I'm not seeing any energy in the market.
I think it is, yeah, because like this one is doing that same curve where it just kind of gave up. It's just like
not even sure what to do. Should I just get into Ripple at a low point?
At a low point? You're late for that.
What, yesterday? 2 days ago, you mean? Yeah.
Yeah. A few days, yeah.
Oh, I'm just trying to figure out what to put my money in overnight now.
I know. Me too.
Probably Bitcoin, because we're low. Huh?
Truth? Probably DFS.
What?
What?
I'm not kidding.
How would that make any sense?
Because they're doing things. Alright, so here are your things. Here are your options. One is salt. If you put money in salt, it probably needs to stay there because it's not likely it'll go up overnight, but it might. It's valued at $7.80 to $8 right now, $7.40 maybe. I don't know. It goes up and down, but it's going to be $25. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's what its value will be.
Yep.
And ARK is supposed to go up, but you know, who knows when. ETP already did its thing. It's at 50% or more now. So there's no point messing with that, and you'd have to go to Bitfinex for that. Litecoin is likely to still go up over the long haul because of Steam. So there's that. Ripple is likely to continue going up because of the withdrawn escrow and because of the acceptance of American Express.
Yeah, that's why I said I might just do Ripple because of all this.
Yeah.
And they also had the Forbes article today written on them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Whole bunch of good news. Yeah.
And good news with public people reading it today. I'd probably be like, I'll buy some tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Those are all news, and typically you sell on the news. You know that. You've even said that yourself. However, the escrow thing is kind of one of those things like plumbing. You don't know you have a plumbing problem until it happens. And the escrow thing is like that. You're just going to feel it happen when there's less money and people know it, and they treat it like that. people will just expect its value to go up and will make it happen. Just like releasing your brand new coin, you want to have a smaller market cap on the coins added to the pool, if you can, depending upon the purpose of the coin, because you know if it's going to be one that's going to be used as an intermediary for pennies, then there has to be a shit ton of it. But if you want the coin valued high, you keep the total amount low. This is a rule of thumb, you know, and then there are other things involved. Really just comes down to how you're running your business, though, I guess. If you're trying to be a group behind a coin, right? I don't know. I'm interested in seeing this plethora of coins that are just being created for no other purpose than to be money. Because everybody's pretty much got the idea that Bitcoin doesn't quite cut it, and everybody's trying to implement their own ideas on what they think the next one should be, and one of them will be. But what are the odds that we'll be holding on to that one either? Shit, there. What are it? 1,000, 1,400 coins, 1,500 coins? It's just too many. But if you look through the Bittrex page, there's nothing there. Everything that's on the front page has either already been hit or... I'm keeping an eye on Redcoin. If it gets forced down to 1 Satoshi when Bitcoin goes up to 30, then I'll buy into that. And then I'll get rich. Simply because it's Bittrex. What are you extra crinkling it just for us?
Huh?
Nothing?
Talking to your dog or something?
Hungry.
Talking to the one who's crinkling the bag. I guess I was in here yelling, keeping my wife up. She's got to work in a few hours. She's pissed. I should probably just go to bed before I piss her off any further. Let's look at the front page one more time. Mysterium Network, 57%. That means it already pumped and it's coming down. That's exactly what it means. Oh,
yeah, that food makes me hungry. I didn't eat today. I probably should have.
Damn. This only pumped to 8,000. I think it's going to go higher.
Ripple's getting ready to take off again.
Mysterium. I think it's going to go higher.
I don't know if we have energy much in Ripple, but it's going up a little bit.
Oh. It would. Ripple. That's because Bitcoin's going down. It's just being swayed by Bitcoin now. Well, poopy. Oh, we got $2 in USDT. Can I please buy with that? No, hell no, it's not enough. Damn, Bitcoin used to cost less than $1. Now $2 isn't enough to buy a piece of it. They could at least send me an ice cream cone in the mail for my $2. Alright, now that we're past a few more phases, let's see what's going on with these again. So 12 hours on Neo. Boom, boom, boom. I honestly think Neo is still rising. I really do. I think it's going to come down to below 003 though. Just following this, tracing this line here. Just based on what I see there. Let's go to a day. Yeah, so that's our support. Unless it has changed tempo, we'll be seeing Neo come down a little bit more.
Ripple's day candles look awesome. They're just up.
I think I can buy it at the support level and it'll be alright. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll get it right here at 300,393. I think that'll do it. That'll do it. It's just getting
Looking
really...
at the day chart, it actually looks like Ripple is really going to try to go for its all-time high.
Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy in at 300,393. It's going to come down there.
And if it goes for its all-time high, that means it'll hit somewhere around $4.
Yeah. Yep.
Which would be amazing. That would be great. It should just do that tonight while I sleep.
It's coming down to probably here. And once it reaches there, it will hopefully have bottomed out with its foundational support. And it's still pushing down. Gonna move it down just a little bit. So I'm up with that second notch.
I guess we're going to test 56 cents here at least, it looks like.
With Ripple.
Yeah.
I think I'm doing Neo tonight.
It could break out any day, that's for sure. Neo could just be $300 tomorrow. It wouldn't surprise me at all.
Yeah, that's only going to happen with some big ass news. Or, I think it's going to come down way past where my purchase is at. We'll see. This is right around where the support line is for it. Looks like it's trying to stabilize at the top. It's going to come down. I don't know if it still has the energy to make it all the way down here, though. Come on, buddy. Come on. Well, it wants to. Anyway, yeah, you see how Leonardo allows me to make these trades real fast. It's amazing. So, just for that, as a trade tool, it's really good. Yeah, it's going to come down past my point. I wonder if I can get it lower than that. See if we can get just a little bit lower. Should be higher than it is. Should be right where it is. I don't think it may not come all the way down to where I'm at. It may come lower. It'd be nice if it does. At least I get to snatch it up at a lower A. I'm just not willing to take a chance on it touching that pan. It'll probably get past it, but I'll miss out on the whole damn thing if it doesn't get shit straight. Oh, come on. Looks like the support kind of gained some girth just above. I'm not going to fall for it though. And that's cool if I have to chase it. It's coming all the way down to me. I'm going to chase it real far. That's for damn sure. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on down, buddy. Well, it doesn't want it though, does it? It does not want to. Interesting. Fuck it. Oh, is it gonna push up? God damn it. Oh, I know I shouldn't be doing this. Just keep my buy right where it's at.
You might be right about Neo being the one to stay in overnight, though. It's looking really good on the day mark.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop back into it. Right here. Oh, it
Because
came
we're
down.
on the third green day candle.
Son of a bitch. I moved my purchase up. Oh, I still didn't get onto it. You motherfuckers. Moved up past my purchase price by the time it posted. That's messed up. You guys are messed up. Shame on you. And your little dog. What the fuck? Really? Like the second I move it? Come on, guys. Just, there we go. Nope. Didn't place the order. Yes, it did. 4.739 Neo. Alright. We're in. Cross your fingers. I think it'll be fine overnight. This has a really good support. It has a good escalating support. It doesn't have to have a lot of energy. I'm good with a ramp. Like I said, it can still come down some. It probably will still come down some. I just don't feel like sitting here all night waiting on it. It can come down to, yeah, 29.75, whatever that huge wall that begins there is. And then at that point, you know, it's just a matter of whether or not it wants to break through that. Bulls and bears. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits. And probably go to sleep. Sleep on this coin. See how it's hooking up like that? It's got that curve on it. That's good.
Yeah, I might go to sleep too, because I'm in XMR and it looks good.
Oh, what happened to ARC?
Sorry, XRP.
Oh my god, really? It's just now at 27,000, man. It's coming back down. What was it at?
With what?
ARC. ARC went to... It went to 29,000. And then it just crapped out. The guy's gonna be mad. It's back down to where he bought it. And what is that? That's an effective 7.14%. Alright, sitting on BO. I was looking at BCC. I'm sitting on the BCC is going up too like crazy, by the way. And it's got really good momentum, by the way. Right now is time to buy it too. Boom, correction coming up. It's going to come down to about a good buy-in point would be 0.112. Alright, I think that's it for the night. Tonight I'm going to close out sitting on Neo. Chinese Ethereum.
I'm back, but I guess I'm going to probably leave too.
Alright, man. I'm going to stop the recording right now.